This is the new Baseus Qi Wireless Charging Powerbank with 10,000 mAh capacity. In the box, you get the power bank itself with a bunch of instructional paper and a USB Type-C charging cable. Right out the box, you can notice the good build quality. It definitely has some weight to it. The front has a rubberized grip for your phone so it stays in place. On the top, it has two wired connection options, a USB Type-C in-out port, a USB Type-A port for charging any other USB device, a power button, and an LCD display to show the battery percentage of the power bank. One thing I noticed is that when you shake it, it rattles. No, it's not a feature, but it is because of a feature. This power bank comes with a built-in stand, so you can keep it standing up. The mechanism is something I'm not a big fan of personally, because it's got this plate that comes out, which, if not kept properly, can be misplaced. Although it is a separate part, it magnetically attaches to the back of the power bank and fits very snugly, so that is really good. Apart from that, the wireless charging capability is well thought out. It's got dual coil system, so you can keep your phone in any orientation and it will charge the phone that way too. It can also be used as any Qi wireless charging pad, so you can charge the power bank while charging your phone wirelessly on it. It can also charge multiple devices at the same time. The convenience of charging your phone anywhere without wires is a game changer. If your phone supports Qi wireless charging, I highly recommend this Baseus wireless charging power bank because of its unique design and convenience. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.